Welcome! In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to send a picture with text on Instagram group on your PC with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Start by logging into your Instagram account on your PC by visiting the Instagram website and entering your credentials. Step 2. Open the group you want to share the picture with. Navigate to the group chat where you wish to send the picture with text. Step 3. Click on the photo icon within the chat window. This will allow you to choose a photo from your computer to share with the group. Step 4. After selecting the photo, click on the Open button to attach the photo to your message. Then, proceed to write the text you want to accompany the picture in the chat. Step 5. Once you have written your message, click on the Send button to share the picture with text in the Instagram group chat. By following these steps, you can easily send a picture with text in an Instagram group chat on your PC. Enhance your group conversations, share moments, and connect with your group members through visual content and messages. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to send a picture with text on Instagram group on PC. Keep your group interactions engaging, express yourself creatively, and make your group chats more vibrant. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.